Stacia Wilson, who is in for Kyle Roberts today. Stacia, it is Father's Day. It's sunny out. It's going to be a great day.
It is going to be a great day, and happy Father's Day to all our dads out there. Seeing a few more clouds out there than we did around this time yesterday morning. Cedar Hill currently sitting at 76 degrees. Cloud cover is good when it's this warm because it blocks the sun just a little bit. 79 right now in downtown Dallas, so we are warming right up. Feels closer to the low 80s though because you do have some humidity out there. Checking out the temperatures across the northern portion of Texas, very similar to what we're experiencing here in Dallas. Down south, Corsicana, Hillsborough, both sitting at 78 degrees. It's going to be slightly cooler, a little bit cooler just west of Fort Worth, Tarrant County, but not by a whole lot. You also have stronger winds out there today, so that is definitely going to make things feel a little more comfortable. As far as your 24-hour temperature change, now way far west, you're actually a little bit warmer, but areas that are right around Tarrant County, you do have a little less humidity right now, so it feels slightly cooler than the actual temperature. We're actually sitting 2 degrees cooler in downtown Dallas than we were around this time yesterday morning. Measure moisture in the air, so our dew point's sitting in the low 70s already. They're not going to climb quite as high areas west of Tarrant County, and you can see, as I mentioned before, with those wind gusts. Here's a look at your sustained winds. The gusts are going to be up to 20 miles per hour, but it primarily affects the western region of DFW, areas south of DFW, the eastern portion east of Dallas. It doesn't really get that extreme wind that we're seeing to the west. And when I say extreme, it's just because yesterday was basically non-existent. You hardly had any breeze at all. So that is going to help break up some of that heat today. So as far as cloud cover, few more clouds out there, but you are seeing just a few storm systems, and it's drying out relatively quickly. Basically, by the time it gets to Austin, it's already starting to dissipate. But that is cooling things off a little bit to the west. We're not getting any rain today, but if you have outdoor plans, that's going to obviously be to your benefit. Don't really want it to rain on Father's Day. Eye on the tropics. We do have a couple things going on here, and one is really going to potentially affect us. The other one is located just northeast of the central Bahamas, and so that has about a 30% chance for development. As we move through the work week, we are watching one in the Yucatan Peninsula. That has a 60% chance for development into a tropical cyclone. How this affects us is in a couple of different ways. Right now, what's already happening is you have moisture that is coming up from the central portion, or it'd be just north of the Texas coast. So it's going to move up through central Texas. That moisture from a southerly wind could reach us as soon as Monday afternoon. Then you have a couple more rain chances even after that. So, that's something new. Yesterday it was looking like it could be pretty dry on Monday, but then as early as Monday afternoon, you already have some instability in the atmosphere. By Wednesday, those rain chances pick up even more, and you can see our totals have grown just since yesterday morning. We were looking at potential trace amounts in DFW. Now we could see up to ½ an inch. Tonight, your low temperature 76 degrees. Tomorrow, 93. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at your 14-day forecast. So it remains warm, rain chances in the afternoon tomorrow, and then more rain chances. Your best chance for rain really is on Wednesday. All right, that is your 14-day forecast. We're going to let you know about any changes that come up. Adriana, back to you.